Okay, so the deoxygenated cell travels through the inferior vena cava or the superior vena cava, or also known as coronary sinus. So through here or through here. The deoxygenated cell ends up in the right atrium, right here. The atria contracts together, and the cell travels through the right atria ventricle, also known as tricuspid, which is this tricuspid valve. The cell is now in the right ventricle. The ventricles contract, and the deoxygenated cell travels through the pulmonary semilunar valve into the right and left pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries, right and left and right, via the pulmonary trunk. This one. The deoxygenated cell travels into the lungs, where gas into the lungs, right here. So the lungs would be here, and there's another one here, where gas exchange takes place. The cell is now oxygenated and travels through the left atrium, which is this one right here, left atrium, via the right and left pulmonary veins through here. The cell is now oxygenated and travels to the left atrium via the right and left pulmonary. So it goes back through here from the lungs, goes back through the veins into the left atrium. The oxygen cell is in the left atrium here. The atria contracts, and the cell travels through the left atrium ventricle, also known as bicuspid or mitral valve, which is this right here. The cell is now in the left ventricle. This is the left ventricle. The ventricles contract, which sends the oxygenated cell through the aortic semilunar valve into the aorta and out to the body. So it goes through this right here, aortic semilunar valve, into the aorta and out to the body through these right here. Remember, the atria receive blood from veins. The ventricles send blood into arteries. The heart is a series of tubes. There are two sides, two atria, two ventricles, two auricles, two AV valves, two semilunar valves, two vena cava, two coronary arteries. The septum divides the heart into right and left sides. The heart has two sides. The right side of the heart and has deoxygenated blood. The left side of the heart has oxygenated blood. The only vein in the body, excluding fetal, to transport oxygenated blood is the pulmonary vein. The only artery in the body, excluding fetal, to transport deoxygenated blood is the